Hello everyone, welcome to the channel The Solution. Today we are going to talk about the common problem that can't connect to App Store and cannot connect to iTunes Store. If you want to listen to music, dance, watch movies, or when you download apps, games from App Store, it says cannot connect to App Store. Message shows on the screen. That same happened to the iTunes Store too. This process supports any iOS version and any iPhone model. There are so many possible reasons for that issue. We are here to discuss the major possibilities for that issues and the solution. First, network issues, Wi-Fi and data. Go to any browser and type any address. If open, then no problem with your internet connection. First, make sure that the internet connection is working properly. If the problem was still the same, go to Wi-Fi and on off. You can also check it from cellular data. Is still on the same problem. The next step, you have to do the following process. The previous process is failed to work and is still on the same problem. The next step, you have to do the following process. Tap on General, scroll down and tap on Time and Date. So make sure that the Set Automatically option is turned on. If the time and date are incorrect, then you will get this problem. Sometimes this problem shows from software, so make sure that the software update is up to date. If you get even a little bit of value from this, then do like to share this video, subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution. See you in the next videos.